Standing strong for 80 years, that's the Catholic High School of Baltimore. Here to tell us more about what their school has to offer are principals Sharon Johnston and students Kayleigh Eckles and Tochi Nwachinemere. Thank you so much for being with me.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm happy to have you here. 80 years. This is a big anniversary.
It is.
I know you guys haven't been there that whole time, and neither of you.
No.
But you know a lot about the school. Talk about how it was founded.
Well, our school is founded by the Sisters of St. Francis of Philadelphia. We have been educating and empowering young women for 80 years. When we began the school, we were a local high school for young women who lived on the east side of town. And we had innovative programs back then in academic, scientific, business, and secretarial. But things have really changed. The world has changed, and we have grown with that as well. Yeah. Now we take in young women from 77 Maryland zip codes. Wow. And we offer academic programs in college preparatory, honors, advanced placement. We offer 13 of those classes on campus. We also have dual enrollment with local universities, and then we have our innovative specialty programs as well.
Okay, so the nerd in me is coming back out.
Okay.
Because when I heard dual enrollment,
yes.
Talk about that, because that would have been a selling feature for me back in the day. I would have been there.
and it's wonderful. We partner with some local universities, NDMU, and also with Newman University. And so when we partner with them, our young women are able to gain college credit. And last year, our students had over 300 college credits that they earned. So they're able to earn college credit before they even graduate.
You're really, really preparing them. I know that both of you are seniors. Did I see you? Was that you on stage?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me more about that, the programs and the activities that you're in.
So I am in theater, I'm an ambassador, I'm in like so many different clubs, but we have a visual and performing arts program. So I'm in that, I'm like the first graduating class of it. So we'll have like a capstone project, and so I'm in all the plays and musicals, and so yeah.
And then, so this has been a good fit for you.
Yeah,
I mean, it's been 4 years. What stands out about it for both of you, about being a part of this school?
I really like all of the people, and so like they make you feel really welcoming, and it allows me to take like the AP classes that challenge me, but I also have time to do like theater and all the other things that I love.
And Tochi, what do you want people to know about your school?
I want people to know that at TCHS, there is a seat at the table for everyone. It's not just one thing. You can do everything, and that's a lot of how they empower people at TCHS.
And how did you guys go about picking the school? Was it something that your parents told you about, or that you knew like, oh, this is the right fit for me?
Well, I was really interested in the biomed program. Since I came to TCHS, there have been a lot of improvements in the program, and we've just grown, and that was really what sold it for me.
Which makes sense, because you told me before we started that you wanted to become a doctor.
Yes.
And I'm hearing biomed program in high school, and I'm like, wait a minute. They're in high school, so they're getting a jump start right away.
Absolutely. Our students are able to participate in some of our specialty programs. So we have a STEM program, science, technology, engineering, and math. We have a biomedical program that looks at forensic sciences, scientific research, medical careers. We have a law and leadership program in the Franciscan tradition where our students are able to learn about public policies and laws and what that involves and how to be a good citizen. And then we also have our visual and performing arts program, which our young ladies are involved in.
Just a wonderful legacy. We're seeing some of these older pictures, 80 years. Okay, so prospective families are watching. What can they see and do at this upcoming open house?
Well, our open house is October 19th. It's a Saturday from 9 to 12. If you come to our school, you'll be able to go on a tour, and Tochi and Kayleigh are both ambassadors. They'd be able to take you around. Okay. You'll be able to see what our school has to offer. It's a great school of opportunity, so we hope you'll join us.
Thank you so much, and you can just go to catholichigh.org. There you go. Thank you to three. We really appreciate it, and we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.